All right, gonna be wrapping up the 8th Gen SI transmission rebuild this weekend. I got both the input shaft and the counter shaft final drive put back together correctly this time. See that notch is up. We got a new 6th gear on the counter shaft, new 6th gear on the input shaft, new counter shaft bearing, cleaned up the 1-2 hub and replaced 3-4 hub, replaced the input shaft itself, and replaced number 1-2 synchro. So everything that was damaged, or that I damaged, but gonna be. And then the first rebuild was that 4th gear. This one had little chips on the teeth. This one had scoring on it. See all those grind marks?